then we're going over heating test tubes. So if you're heating a test tube with a hot plate, you're going to have it underneath your fume hood, and you're going to have a beaker. Usually do 250 milliliters, about halfway full. If it gets struck low, then you can add more water. So like this, and you put it in. You never ever want to touch with your hands because that will burn you. And you want to do it underneath your hood in case there's vapors released and pointing away from you. Another method of doing it is over a Bunsen. So that, again, you will still use clamps, that way you don't burn yourself. And you hold it above, and you don't want to hold it in just one area. You want to make sure you heat all parts of the liquid evenly. And again, pointing it away from you, so that way, in case it explodes or something, it's not going towards you or any other person. And to cool it, you are going to put it in the tester rack.